Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Today I am here to teach you about types of nouns. So let's revise about nouns first. The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. All we have around us is person, places, animals or thing. When we put together all these words together in a bag, collectively they are called a noun. So we all are surrounded by nouns. Everything around us is an example of a noun. But the way we have our nickname at home, they also have their nickname. They are also called by the name naming words. Let's explore more about types of nouns. Children, there are two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. Common noun names general or types of nouns. For example, if I say that I need a packet of biscuit, then the packet of biscuit can be of any brand. You can think of Oreo, you can think of Bourbon, you can think of Parle-G, anything. But if I say that I need an Oreo biscuit, then you will think and only think of Oreo biscuit. So common noun gives you the options to think about the things through the general name it gives. If it says biscuit, you can name any biscuit. If it says country, you can name any country. Whereas proper nouns don't give you that facility. Proper noun says, whatever I'll give you, you have to think about that only. So it tells or it names nouns in specific, or it gives special names. Whatever name is given by proper noun, we have to think about it only. Let's explore more about common nouns. As we discussed, common nouns are the names in general. For example, boy. If I say, a boy please come and help me, then any boy of the class can come and help me out. We cannot think specially of one boy. If I say, I go to school, I may go to any school. You may be thinking of your school, I may be thinking of my school. So everyone thinks of a different school here because I have not given a specific name to think about. Again, we take the example of cat. When we say cat, you can think of a fluffy cat, thin cat, fat cat, any cat you can think about because I have not given a specific cat to think. So any cat can come. Now, if I say I need a pencil, then you can offer me any pencil that you have because I have not mentioned anything special. So common nouns give us general names which let us imagine more and more about it. Okay, now let's go through proper nouns. Proper nouns are a little different from common nouns and they give special names. For example, Rohan. If I say Rohan is the naughtiest child in the class, then Rohan. We will all think about Rohan only, no other child. If I say I am going to the Jumbo Park or I read in ABC Public School, then you will think of Jumbo Park and ABC Public School only, but no other place. If I say my pet Kitty is unwell, then you will think of my cat pet Kitty, but no other cat. Or if I say I like to play with Bruno, then you will think of my dog Bruno only, but nobody else. Okay, now let's come to a thing. If I say I need a Dom's pencil, then you cannot offer me any other pencil other than Dom's. So, proper noun gives you special names. It doesn't give you any space to think about other things because it is specially mentioning what you have to think about or what you have to talk about. There is a fact that proper nouns always begin with a capital letter, and the best example is your name. For example, Ben. If your name is Ben, then the B will be capital. If your name is Arnav, then its A will be capital. If your name is Rohit Sharma, then R of Rohit and S of Sharma will be capital. Now as you can notice, here Rohan. The first letter of Rohan R is capital. Here first letter of A, B, C here, and first letter P of public is capital. In Kitty and Bruno, first letter is capital. So proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Now let's do some activity. Let's read together. At one side I have given common noun and on the other I have given proper noun. If I say country, then you can think of any country, England, India, any country you want to, you can think of it. But if I say India, you will think of India only. So country is a common noun that lets you think about anything related to it, and India is a proper noun that does not allow you to think beyond it. Next is a planet. You can think of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, any planet. But if I say that you have to talk about Earth, you have to say a few lines about Earth, then we will think of Earth only. So Earth is a special planet name that we are mentioning here. So Earth is a proper noun. Same goes city. You can think of any city, but if I say Delhi, you have to think about Delhi only. We cannot think of any other city. Biscuit, you can come up with any biscuit choice, but if I say Oreo, then we have to think of Oreo only. Drink, you can choose any drink, but if I say Pepsi, we will think of Pepsi only. Now, see, all the letters of the common noun are small. The first letter of the common noun is small, but the first letter in proper noun is all in capital. So a proper noun begins with a capital letter. Okay, children, have a good day. Hope you learn the concept very well. Thank you.